Hello everyone. How my people? I was touching today when I'm listening to this preaching, what TB Joshua is saying, the teaching. I was touched. I'm crying so much. I don't know why TB Joshua is gone. The preaching is very good and he know how to preach so everyone can understand the preaching, and it will pieces the preaching, it will pieces it so people, if you don't understand English you will understand English, you will understand everything. TB Joshua is a real man of God and a very strong man. I'm telling you, because when you listen to the preaching, I'm missing him so much because I used to follow him in my internet. I watch him on Sunday. Once in a while, I watch him on Sunday. I love the preaching. So I was so touched today when I'm listening to the TB Joshua preaching. The preaching was nice and good. It will make you to learn a lot of things. The way TB Joshua will teach you, you will learn something you never know before. It will break it so people will understand him. So people will understand what he's saying. So people will understand the way he's talking. So people will understand everything. Even though you don't understand English very well, TB Joshua is going to pieces it for you and teach you the way you will understand it. So my people, let us not forget about TB Joshua. TB Joshua is a great man. No matter, when something happen, people will talk, this one will talk, this one will talk, but we have to know the truth, because when you know the truth can set you free. You don't need to be spoiling man of God because of you just want to get something or you just want to do something. I beg, let us know what we are saying. God bless you and listen to
your position to the end. The beauty of our achievement is when we are no longer live and the achievement is still there. Tell your neighbor, the beauty of our achievement, the glorious of our achievement is when we are no longer live, but that achievement is still there, linking on in the eyes, in the ears of children yet unborn. That is the beauty. We are not necessarily being blessed by God because of today, but we are blessed because of tomorrow, when we are no longer living. Because children yet unborn, they want to see things that can influence them to do right. It's not necessarily because of today you are blessed, but you are blessed because of tomorrow, when you are no longer live, but that achievement continue to live, so that our children yet unborn can be influenced in a positive way by our achievement. Because you will no longer live to educate them, to tell them the right way to follow. But what you have achieved will be the one to talk to them, to tell them. Your concentration is so much on what you want to achieve, what you need, that your concentration. Yes, you want to be this, you want to be that. Vanity upon vanity. If you are known today and you are not known tomorrow, what is the value of it? If your name is written today and your name is vanished tomorrow, what is the value? Please, brother, think about tomorrow.